Hi all, so this is Ravi here. So today we'll be discussing about DQL query. DQL query. So DQL stands for Dynatrace Query Language. And with the help of DQL query, I'll create a SRE dashboard. Okay. So you heard about that, right? SRE terminology is very popular nowadays in the market, okay? And SRE culture, right? So basically what we are looking for infrastructure also and application also, right? So based on that combination, right, I'll create a SRE dashboard. So let's see how we can create a SRE dashboard, okay? So first, what I can do is I'll go to my Dynatrace portal and already I have written it. So I'm giving a SRE dashboard. Okay, using SRE dashboard, and with the help of that we can use that some logo. So SRE observability dashboard, you can keep that. Sorry, it is my bad. Dashboard, so I will give the dashboard name. Now I will using the DQL query, so I'll go with the DQL query. Okay, and first what I can do is, in spite of that, okay, let's delete this. So first let's add some header. Okay, so what I can do is I'll create a markdown. So what are the things is required in the markdown? I need a status, okay, and I'll click on that. Keep it a little small, okay, and click on that and duplicate it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and what I can do is click on the here, move to put it last. One you can keep here, copy this, put it here. It looks very vibrant. So move to here. Move to here. So now all are not synced properly. So let's move a little bit. Okay. Now, what next, right? So I need infrastructure as well as service and as well as error also, right? So what I can do is I can go here, add a DQL query, and already I have written a DQL query. Okay. So because writing it will take a long time, so I'll copy it. Okay. Summarize, run this. So now I'm getting that number. Okay. So title I can give this the active problem. Just try to understand what are things I'm changing. Okay. Now visualization type. So I'll click here, edit. Visualization type, I can go with the single value. So table, record, raw, line, area, single value. Okay. Now, so still I'm getting this part. So now data mapping is required. No. Then I'll go with the single value. So here you can see labels. So label I can make it off. Are you getting a point? And now that value, right, you want to keep it little left, little right. So you can see I'm keeping left, right, center. So what you can keep. So and so icon. If you give the icon, then you can it will show as an icon. If you want to keep some problem icon, okay, then also it will be shown also. Okay. Now coming to that, let me off it. Now, so this is the problem, right? So problem also always should have in the terms of color, correct? Sorry, so I can go with threshold and I can add some threshold, okay? So that it will show little vibrant, right? So 0 green and 1 should get an equal to 1 should be red. So now 13 problem, so I'm getting red value. So let it keep it little small. So this is the active problem, right? Now, same way, I need a lot of things. So next was what? So next, I would like to keep total problems. Okay. So here I am keeping how many total problem we have. In that, how many problems it was there active. Okay. So what I can do is I can duplicate it. One, two, oh sorry. So now I will go here, keep it this, and I will take. So total problem, right? So what could be the, what I can do is I can write the query. This is which I have not used it. I'll go with the data. First DTDS problem. In summarize, you need to take only count value, not if else statement. Okay, count and bracket off. This is my total problem. So now see whether I'm getting problem. Yes. Okay. I'm getting fresh DT. Summarize count of bracket, close the bracket. Okay, I'm not getting data. What is the problem? Summarize count of, this is fine. And this, no, still I'm getting it. Okay, summarize count of, Okay, so let's do one thing. Visualize. Let's remove that threshold, delete that threshold, come back here, run this. Um, Fetch DT dot Davis dot events, Davis dot problems, summarize, on top. Okay, so in spite of that, let me delete this. I don't know why it is happening. Let me DQL query. Fetch DT dot Davis problems, summarize on top. See, I'm getting the number, right? I don't know why it was having error. So now this edit, visualize. I'm taking a single value, then so you cannot do duplicate. Okay, lot of things getting added. Okay, now what else? Count of you can keep it label. You can keep it off and keep this and this. You can keep as a total problem. Total problem. Okay. So now keep it little small and click here to move it here. Okay. Okay. So now what else? So now let me put the service. So I will create a new DQL tile. Let's add service. Okay. Query, I wrote it. So okay. So this is my tile for service. Okay. So now first you check whether data is coming out. The data is coming up. Now what else? Go to visualize. I need honeycomb value. So keep it like this. Now edit. Now what else? I should modify. So I should modify the nothing. Okay. So data mapping, service, cell, honeycomb, then legend, service, health alert. Uh, unit format, anything? Nothing. So legend, you can keep service, health alert, everything. So let's keep everything. Color you can have. So this is looks fine. So which color you want? So I can keep this. I can keep position in bottom. Yeah, right. This looks fine. Okay, and close. And I'll keep it little. This looks fine. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. So now what else? Now I need request. So I'll go here, create a DQL query. All right. I'll go here. I'll go here. I'll take this. I run this query. Whether data is coming or not. First let's visualize it. Yes. Then take a single value. And what else? Labels you can make it off. Okay. Now, so I need count value. This is also fine. And trend I don't need. A spark line count also I don't need. And unit format if you want, you can take. So I wanted to have a unit format and count dot single value that I will take a value is equal to count and suffix I can take as a single. So this is my total number of requests. So how it looks like you can understand and you can keep it here. So this is my what else request. So what I can keep as a title request. Okay. So this part is done. You can keep little this. You can keep little bigger. Okay. So what next? Oh, so this I can keep as a traffic. This I can keep as a latency. This I can keep as a errors. Then this I can keep as a saturation. Saturation. Okay, this what I'll think later. Now let's add latency part. So traffic is done, latency. What I can do is I'll go here, I'll write a DQL query. So I will take latency. I'll go here. Okay. Now I'll go to visualize. I'll take as a single value. Okay. Then this my latency. Okay. Now if you want have something in the spark line, you data mapping in the spark line, I can take auto. And then okay, so this not getting enabled, so that's fine. I'm not getting options. This is the spark line. I'm not getting option. The time I'm getting this also. I'm not getting interval. I'm getting no item is getting font. That's fine. Okay. So what I can do is I'll keep as a response time only. Okay. Now, so this is fine. I'll keep it little small. I will move this here, latency part. Okay. Now, coming to that, next I'm putting errors. So there are two types of errors, right? 5x error and 4x error. Other also we have, but I'm keeping 5x and 4x. So I'll go here. Okay, so you can keep errors Okay, we'll go with single value. I will remove the labels. Okay, that is fine. I'll make it a small. You want to remove the trend, what you can do is go here and trend you can off. So you see here, so we'll get the options for uh, a Sparkline. Okay, so we have this. So trend I'm making off, but okay, so that's it, that done. So this is also done. So errors done. Now what I can do is, so this is the same, right? So I can duplicate it. So 4x to 5x, right? So what I can do is same. So I will remove, it's just change the query. Done. So I'm getting this done. Take it and now what next? So I'm putting now infrastructure part. This let's delete that because it'll get very messy. Now I can go with the saturation now. So saturation I'll go CPU. So I'll go with new DQL query. So this is my CPU part. CPU. Run the query. I need single value. This and all you can make it off, okay, if it is required, okay. So just I'm keeping this. Okay, use single value. So we will also make it off. Okay, I'll make it a small. I'll duplicate it. Let's do for memory. I'll copy this. The same tile of tiles, then you can do that. And then run done. The mem percentage is also done. Okay, so some value has to be changed. Trend value. Even CPU also has the trend. That I can do that. Okay. Node CPU. It is going like this. Let's put it here. Okay, so this is done. Now I need GC. So what I can do is duplicate it. Let's fix it here. You can keep it like this. We'll have a space. Now keep it, put it here, edit. I go with my GC time. Okay, GC time. Run this. Then okay. Why I'm getting your same data? Memory is, let me check. I'm getting the same data. So let me delete this, add new tile. That's the problem when you duplicate it. Okay, listed data for not GC. This has to be removed. Okay, visualize single value. Suspension time single value. Okay, then you can remove this. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. Okay, so I got this. This value, make it a small. Move it to here. Again, I can edit and give the GC time percentage. Okay. Now what else? So I need some metric level data. So we'll keep little small. Metric level data means how you can keep that. So I'll go with, so hope you have understood. So metric level data we'll discuss about in the next lecture. Just give me, I'm taking a break for half an hour. Yeah, maybe you can see in the part 2 of video. Okay, that's it for this lecture. So let's continue on the second lecture.